To everyone, lovely family and lovely friends. Happy weekend to everyone out there. Happy Sunday. Um, guys, if you see me putting the indomitable lion GC here, meaning I'm on the camp of Cameroon and Samuel Etoo as well. And Samuel Etoo came out addressing something about players that really not ready to commit and selecting matches to play, and Samuel Eto'o really have issues on that. And I'm going to finish with Ayew brothers as well. A lot of people saying that Ayew brothers, it is time for them to quit from Black Stars and all that. And I'm going to share my little bit opinion, the reason why people think that it is time for Ayew brothers to quit from Black Stars. So no time, let's get it. Cameroon play against Burundi, with the won 1-0 the African Cup of Nations qualified. But Samuel Eto'o wasn't impressed with the performance and addressing so many things. And we all know Job Matip as well. Matip is a Cameroon player who was born in Germany, I think to Cameroon father and German mother, something like that. I'm not too sure about that, guys. So he refused to play for Cameroon for some years now, and I do not really know why. Because Cameroon qualified from the World Cup, I think he really want to come back and play. And Samuel Eto'o was saying that they are not ready to call any player that not really want to commit it, and they always want to select some matches, or always think that maybe they are bigger than the country or they are bigger than the national team. If you're a player like that, they are not ready to entertain those kind of people on the Cameroon football. And I think that is a great job um, about Samuel Eto'o. But there is something to that I want some of our leaders, the football people, to understand as well. Not only about the players, but sometimes you leaders should also develop our pitches, because Europe here, the way they develop so many things and the players are doing well, and we're always chasing some players want to play for them, play for us in Africa. If their pitches is like that, I don't think that they can able to develop all these players that we all want them to play for our countries. So if we are always coming out talking about players don't want to involve themselves when it comes to African Cup of Nations, see the pitches back. And some players will go to the national team, and when they get injury or something like that, the country will not even think about them. The country will not think about them. They go back to their club side, suffering with their club side. So sometimes I understand the players' feelings. As I'm not saying that as a player you should be denying your country, or you should choosing matches to play. But what I'm saying here is that sometimes when something is going on, we shouldn't look at only one side. Look one side and look the other side as well. Because look at Ghana, for instance. Ghana 2006 won World Cup for the first time, did so well. 2010 as well. But ask yourself, if you went to Ghana, ask yourself now that these two World Cup, or even the Brazil doesn't go well, so that is why I didn't add Brazil. But these two World Cup that we did so well, what achievement, what Ghana really use that money, do something back in Ghana, and we will all see that, okay, well, Ghana, we went to the World Cup 2010, we did very well. This is achievement. This is the development. We use that money. We don't know where the money disappeared. So if you leaders are always coming out talking about players, are select players that born in Europe, they are selecting some matches to play and all that. I'm not supporting these players. That is wrong. But the leaders also have to develop so many things back in Africa. So, guys, that is my take on those things. I'm not here just to support players that are not ready to involve selecting matches and all that. That is so wrong. And they continue to send signal to all those kind of players and stand on their feet that, okay, if you're a player like that, we are not going to entertain you. No matter, we don't care about the club that you are playing, whether Liverpool, Chelsea, any club, that big club you are playing out there, and we are not ready to commit to the country. We are not ready to call you as well. We are ready to call the players that are ready to commit. And even when you go World Cup and it doesn't go well, no problem. We'll address it, do things another time again. So guys, that is the issue. That is the problem from Samuel Etoo not really happen with Job Matip wanna go back to Cameroon to possibly play the World Cup. So Samuel Etoo is not really happy about that. And you really have a point, because you cannot be a player out there and you want to choose matches that you want. You are not bigger than the country, you are not bigger than the team. So that is a great job, really, really great job. And as I said, the leaders also need to develop, because Africa, you can see sometimes some of our even first division teams, if you see the kind of pitches they play football, sometimes when you look at back, like you sit down and watching our Premier League or something like that, it is very shameful, honestly speaking. So guys, I'm going to finish with Ayew brothers, that a lot of people are saying that Ayew brothers, it is a time for them to quit from Black Stars. So the moment someone came out talk about Ayew brothers to quit, a lot of people are so happy that the person raised that topic, that Ayew brothers to quit. For always, when I'm here, I'm not here to defend players. I'm not here to defend it. No. Sometimes, like I said earlier on, when something is going on, we need to always look um, this side and that side. We shouldn't always look at one place and conclude everything. To me, the reason why I am not supporting this, that it is a time for Ayew brothers to quit from Black Stars. Um, if you notice some here, we Ghanaians, for me being here, I am including as well. We Ghanaians, some of us are people that sometimes when some people are being in the system for long, sometimes we feel some way gets hitting them with no reason. Sometimes it may happen that not that they are not doing well. Sometimes it happen that we don't just like them because they be in the system for so long, and a lot of people uh, don't like that. When it comes to some of we Ghanaians, that is something that I feel. Check Ayew brothers. Ayew brothers was born in France. But when it comes to players that born outside country and always commit, is one of Ayew brothers. Do you look at which kind of every insult, like if you go to African Cup of Nations, whether things go well or not, it is always about Ayew brothers, but all the time they are there. But you can see some players that was born in Europe here like Ayew brothers, they don't commit like Ayew brothers. What type of insult we don't give to these guys? But all the time they are available. Do you think that if today Ayew brothers stop say they are not gonna play for Ghana Black Stars, are they not gonna live life? Are they not gonna continue their football? Are they not gonna eat? But it is because they are passionate about the country, they are passionate about the team. That is why always, guys, sometimes ask yourself, sit down and ask yourself that when you wake up in the morning, then you go to social media and the people that don't even know you anywhere and talking so negative about you, talking so many things about you, condemning you about something that um you you have no idea or something. How are you gonna feel? So sometimes when we are coming out to address some certain things, you should put yourself first. You should put your shoe into that person. You should put your leg to that person's shoe before you can and just condemn people like that. Because Ayew brothers, I don't think that they deserve this. Asamoah Gyan, a lot of people was for, well, Asamoah Gyan is old. We don't need Asamoah Gyan again. He's old. Is that the moment Asamoah Gyan quit Black Stars, we begin to talk about Asamoah Gyan was good. If like we have Asamoah Gyan, the African Cup of Nations, we're gonna get goals and all that. So for me, what this man is saying, to me, my side, is which I don't want is bogus, or I don't even know the kind of word. I don't want to sit down here and use some kind of word to people. No, but it's kind of something that I don't think that Nema was say and Sama was say so because you brothers they really all the time they committed to Black Stars, but people some people, not all, some people do not really get like them, not that they are not doing well, simply because they be in the system for long. And some of we Ghanaians, we hate those things. Some of we Ghanaians, we don't like to see someone be in the system for so long. Whether the person is doing well or not, we don't care. Even if the person is doing well, whatever position he or she is, we don't get like that. We don't get like seeing people being in the system for so long. That is the reason why a lot of people do not really like Ayew brothers and always say it is time for them to quit from Black Stars. If you check the match against Central African Republic, when Ayew brothers were on the bench, a lot of people was commenting, saying that, well, at least we thank God today Ayew brothers are not starting the game. Ghana gonna get a massive win. Ghana gonna get four goals, 5 goals. The end of the day, what happened? What happened? We also what happened? We cannot win that game. Do you think like Andre Ayew and Jordan sat that game? No matter what, even if we don't get win, Andre Ayew will find a way to get a penalty and Ghana will win that game. But we also what happened. So to me, those who are always, I'm not here to support these guys. I'm just here um, sharing what I think and what I believe. That's the reason why this man came out talking about Ayew, but it's time for them to quit. It is just because they've been in the system for long and a lot of people don't like that. That is all.